keeping a very well-known politician named Gregory Fisher away from his children for 10.5 months for visitation. And the man has never been accused of a thing in his life, and he still has not seen his kids. There are no boundaries for this woman. The state of Texas cannot get a protective order because New York keep interfering, stating they have jurisdiction. The abuse happened in the state of New Jersey in Westwood. I contacted the police several times, the crime unit, the prosecutor's office, and even Sheriff McGuire's office. And nobody wants to get involved, and nobody will do a damn thing. They said if I want to come down and retry the whole thing again and bring her with me and put her through it, and it's not a guarantee that they'll do anything because we don't live there, we're not residents, which is the same reason they won't give us any legal aid, because we're not residents of New York. No one involved in this case is or was a resident in New York since 10 months ago. Also, the law guardian, who keeps insisting to talk to my daughter because of what she did last time. I told her only if there's a neutral party that can sit in and listen. I didn't care who it was. She denied me that. She doesn't care enough that she wants to talk to her to get the facts because she knows that she's going to twist them, and she knows a witness will tell the truth. She could have asked her anything she wanted as long as a neutral party was present. She denied it. She said, no, I want to speak to her myself, or I won't speak to her at all. Also, I have in writing from my past attorney the threats from the same law guardian, Karen Bell. And it says, this is from the attorney, Miss Bell also advised us that if she does not speak to Kayla, then she will advise the court that custody should be changed from mother to father. Lastly, Miss Bell feels you are wrongly accusing her of misrepresenting your daughter's statements in the past. In addition, the woman whom you would like to be your daughter's law guardian is the one who misrepresented the statements as opposed to Miss Bell. Lastly, Miss Bell advised me that this woman you are referring to is not a law guardian, but rather a mediator, which was not the truth. That woman did not misrepresent my daughter. She was the only one that told the truth, and that was 2 years ago. Her name was Jean Marie Massetti, and she was the best one we ever encountered on the case and the most honest. Karen Bell is lying, trying to put the blame on someone else for what she did because she knows she broke the law, as well as Judge Lynaugh, who has been breaking the law and twisting it the way she wants. I have wrote to the district attorney of Texas, to the judge who has been involved in this case. I have dealt with Westwood, New Jersey, the sheriff's office, the FBI of New Jersey. I have dealt with the court system in New York, the police department, and family court system. Nobody will help us. Nobody wants to get involved. Everybody just wants to sit on their hands and watch what happens. We live in fear every day, and it's not fair. Anyone else who has had any encounters with this judge, the only way you're going to get help is to go on a computer and go on YouTube and tell your story, because no newspaper will get involved because they're afraid of being sued. I've contacted everyone, and everybody just turns away. We need to take action now